go to church? Oh, it's too far. Oh, I'm tired. But let Burna Boy, let Ashake, Wizkid, Adekunle Gold, they will go. If those guys show up in Dallas, that's where you see church people. They will all be there. Houston, they will even drive to Houston. And how do I know? Because they are very bold. They put it on social media. You just see them in their cars. Agbabola. Premium or nothing. The sad truth, you know the words to every song. But when the devil comes, like a thief in the night, without a forewarning, tell him Agbabola. Sing the song to him. Say, look, premium or nothing. They play. People are losing their faith. They are losing the battle for their faith, and they are making their loss very easy. The devil doesn't have to work hard anymore. And unfortunately, by the time they realize what has happened, it is usually at the pearly gates.